How to add music in your Facebook profile. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add the music in your Facebook profile. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So you just have to open up your Facebook, and once you are in here, in the bottom right corner there is the menu option. You just have to click on it. So now once you are in the menu here, you have to just scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the settings and the privacy. You have to click on it and go in your settings of your Facebook. So now once you are in the settings and the privacy here, you have to scroll down, and as you can see that here under the audience and the visibility, you have to click on the profile details. So now once you are in the profile details here, you have to scroll down, and as you can see that here is the option of the music and add the music. You have to simply tap on it. Now you just have to click on this plus icon that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to add the music that you want to add. You can also search for the music or the artist, and you have to make sure that your songs are the public. So once you select the music, you just have to click on it and add it, and after adding it you are able to add the music in your Facebook profile. So this is how you can add music in your Facebook profile. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.